Top of the morning to all of my loyal investors. I needed to show this to you guys right here. I don't know if you guys are signed up for Webull yet, but if you aren't, please follow these steps and you guys are going to get paid. I can promise you, you guys are going to get paid if you do this the right way. Use my link in the description, right? You're going to sign up for a brokerage account. It's like Robinhood. It's just like Robinhood. Webull is better with research and it's also commission-free trading, right guys? If you guys would like to get paid up to $30,000, then stick around and open up one of these accounts. Please use my link in the description to get started on this. You're going to get up to 12 free stocks when you open and fund a new trading account, right? And this is really easy. Don't think you have to do a lot. All you have to do is open the account, which is only going to take a couple minutes, deposit any amount, meaning 1 penny, it's just fine. A single penny, guys. Please just take the time to open this account and fund it with a penny, and you guys are going to get up to 12 free stocks. That's insane. So you guys are going to get up to $600 worth of stocks when you open up the account initially. Then as soon as you deposit any given amount, like I said, your penny, you can get another 4 to 10 shares that are valued up to $3,000 each. Now this right here, 10 times 3,000 is $30,000 possible. 30,600 is your max gain right here. And all you guys did was open an account and put a penny into it. And you're going to get all of these shares. They're real shares of stock, like good stocks, like Amazon type stock. And then you can go in and you can sell it. Like you could actually just go ahead in and sell these shares and take the money and cash your money out. And so that's my recommendation here to you guys, is that you open up an account, fund it, and get some free shares. And it's up to you guys if you hold them or not. I can care less what you guys do after you get your money. I just want you guys to get paid. I need you guys to get paid. So get down here in the description and open yourself up an investment account, because this is like the best promotional deal on the market right now. You guys can actually get some serious cheddar. And if there's two of you, husband and wife, you should each open one. Please, both of you, go down there, use my link in the description. Both of you, go to the video, grab your link, and both of you should open up an account and put a penny in. Because then you're going to get 24 free stocks, or at least up to 24 free stocks, up to worth about 60 G's. Between the two of you, what could you guys do with that kind of money between the two of you? Or what could you do for the kids for Christmas this year? That would be great. I would love that for you guys. And so Webull is a really good brokerage account. I really like Webull. I only use two. I use Robinhood and I use Webull because they're both commission free and they're easy to use. So give this a shot, guys, for sure. And a little bonus while you guys are still here, if you made it this far, if you open up a Chime bank account, which is completely free, very simple to do, and put a direct deposit of $200 or more in the first month and a half, you're going to get another $100 guaranteed credit into your bank account, guys. And you guys just have to use my referral link in order to get that. Make sure you guys use my referral link. It says it right here. So use my link for both of these and you guys are going to get paid twice. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.